Welcome to CLAC Training Alberta. We are in the Welding Training Center. We do welder certification and training here. My name is Ted Gunn. I am the manager of the shop, and with me is Kelly Loren, assistant manager of the shop. Kelly will be doing the welding demo today. What we are demonstrating today is modified short circuit, flux core fill and cap. Modified short circuit is the root. We'll be doing a roll weld. The reason people go to modified short circuit and flux core is for speed. Roll welding is usually used in fab shops and production shops where they want to get pipe together in a fast mode. It's reliable, leads to less repairs. The biggest thing is speed. They can get lots of inches done in a day. Today we're going to be demonstrating on carbon steel. We're using a 6-inch Sked 80 coupon. As people get into this game, fab shops, they use modified short circuit for running stainless, and the biggest reason they like to use it on stainless is because it can eliminate the use of a shielding gas, backing gas. So it cuts down the cost, increases production. Right over here on the machine, when you look at the machine, it's set at what we call 200. Okay, and what that is a parameter. And this is modified short circuit, so when Kelly turns that knob up or down, every digit is changing voltage, wire speed, peak amperage, background amperage, frequency, pulse cycles, tail in and tail out. It's all done what they call synergically. At this time, he's going to be doing some production welding, so he's going to be welding at 200. Now I'll turn it over to Kelly. So there you have it, one smooth revolution and the root's in the pipe. The reason they want to use it is consistency. Now the biggest thing that goes on here is you notice Kelly's angle of where he's holding the gun. He's holding it at roughly a 2 o'clock position, and you just keep that gun there and the machine does everything else for you, both machines. The wire stays dead center and the root just flows in perfectly. When you show it to an examiner, he'll see one consistent fine root inside that pipe. Now Kelly will be switching over to flux core for fill and cap. Looks like he's all set to go. Running flux core, we're running dual shield wire here. It's an 045. We're using an 80-20 gas as a mixed gas and T1 wire in the 45 thou diameter. For this, Kelly will be running some pretty good currents because he's not sitting there in a posi. This is a roll weld, and the reason it's done is for production. Really gets big in the large diameter pipe. One of the things that happens when you're running flux core is there's spatter coming off from the flux and that, and what guys tend to do is forget to look at their nozzle and clean their nozzle out and that. What can happen after a while, especially if you're welding continuously, is enough spatter can get in that nozzle, block the gas flow, and you'll end up with porosity in the weld zone, and then you spend more time on the grinder than you would have spent welding that pipe out just for a couple of seconds, basic maintenance. Now Kelly will be putting the hot pass on. Well, there you have it, another successful weld. So what you see here is a completed cap. Kelly has chosen to do a two-pass cap. There's no undercut along the sides, not excessive reinforcement. He is well under the 1/8 range. Again, he has not popped through, burnt through on the root. Everything is good. The examiner would be very happy with this one. It would be going to the bend. I'd like to invite everybody, drop by, take a look at our shop. If you're a welder, come in, do some training, do your next certification here. We are open Monday to Friday, 8 to 4. It would be our pleasure to guide you along the way. Anything to add, Kelly?
Hope to see you all soon.